Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Microsoft USB-C Travel Hub. Here's some information on the back and all the ports that it handles: Ethernet, HDMI, VGA, USB-A, and USB-C. Now let's get started. It's a bit smaller than I expected. Just trying to pull this out. Okay. What do we have here? The manual, we'll just put that away, and the emergency information, put that away as well. And here we are, the USB-C Travel Hub. Pretty compact size, nice build quality, has the USB-A and USB-C connection, 3.2 as the highest data transferring standard, a VGA port for legacy connections such as a projector or a printer. It's nice for on the go, Gigabit Ethernet port, and a HDMI 2.0. Note that both the VGA and HDMI port cannot be used at the same time. Please note that the USB-C connection cannot be used for video output and does not support laptop charging. There is also a little hole in the back to be able to hold the USB-C cord so that you can be able to carry it around with you without any issues, and it also features all the connections on the other side, and of course the Windows logo on one side. It's a pretty quality USB-C hub and pretty light. Let's get a close-up. As you can see, here's the hole to be able to hold the USB-C connection. The hub should be compatible with any USB-C supported electronic device, such as a console or a phone or your computer. There's a VGA connection for legacy equipment, and the Gigabit Ethernet connection, and the HDMI 2.0 connection. Please note that I got it on a discount, so it may not be for everyone at full price. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice rest of your day.